Introducing the all-new Wilderness System Tsunami, delivering a wave of performance and style. The performance-inspired deck of the new Tsunami motivates you to explore more, while a focus on improving the paddler's experience sees new features incorporated into the design. Complementing spacious covered storage are 2 removable mesh deck storage bags, perfect for stowing close-at-hand items, as well as an under-deck storage area that provides another alternative for staging your favorite beverage. Small changes with big effects have also been integrated into the hull. The flared sidewalls and increased volume above the waterline provide more confidence and stability, while the longer waterline delivers increased speed and efficiency. The industry-leading Phase 3 Air Pro seating system enables you to travel farther in the world's most comfortable kayak. The Tsunami is available in 3 sizes, ensuring an optimized fit for every paddler. Tsunami, performance touring at its peak. Visit your local authorized Wilderness Systems dealer to see more.
Live it up and enjoy the ride in Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight tracking, and easy turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the Solo Mount accessory system. With the Perception Solo Mount base, enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged hatch dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA. Available in 2 sizes and a variety of colors, the Joyride is your all-access pass to fun.
From sea to shining sea, and all the rivers, lakes, and streams in between. America's waterways are among the most beautiful and inviting in the world. As the world's leading manufacturer of kayaks, we've introduced more people to the joy of paddling those very waters than any other brand. Period. In fact, we pioneered modern kayak design and construction over 40 years ago and have led the industry ever since. We're a company of passionate paddlers. We proudly design, mold, and hand-assemble our boats in the USA. We're devoted craftsmen and women, and a keen attention to detail, quality, and personal touches are evident in every kayak we make. Our proprietary materials and state-of-the-art processes produce the most comfortable, stable, durable, and safest kayaks available. But don't just take our word for it. With an unrivaled reputation of excellence and innovation, and a full lineup of boats that make kayaking fun for all experience levels, we invite you to experience the Perception difference for yourself.
Aquaglide's Navarro 130 is a 1-person convertible open deck or sit-inside solo kayak. It's 13 feet in length, weighs 35 pounds, and has a 400-pound capacity for paddler and gear. The convertible design offers you the best of both worlds. The open deck design makes for easy entry and exit. When the weather is nice, you get the open top experience. The optional zip-in deck offers protection from the elements when the weather is wet or cold. You get the sit-inside experience when the top is closed. Zip-in deck is sold separately. The inflatable cockpit rim helps keep water out. It also accepts a spray skirt for added warmth and dryness. Skirts sold separately. The whole design puts a premium on stability and comfort. Its low rocker design aids in tracking for long-range trips. Aquaglide's hard bottom technology for maximum stiffness, comfort, and performance. The tubes are constructed with welded bladders and an outer skin of Hexshell 600 denier ripstop polyester for durability and UV resistance. The hard bottom floor is built with heavy-duty, high-pressure drop stitch construction for durability and rigidity. The bow features a comfortable carry handle. The front deck has a zipper for easy access to storage in the bow, and the bungee rigging offers secure storage for dry bags or other gear above the deck. This offers easy access while on the water. Under the deck is an inflatable deck riser. This raises the deck for more legroom and helps shed water. Paddle holders on both tubes offer hands-free access when fishing, birdwatching, or grabbing a cold drink. 2 comfortable side handles for solo carrying. The core seat features a thick padded seat cushion. The seat cushion anchors to the floor with hook and loop strips. The adjustable high back offers lots of support and comfort. The breathable mesh panels keeps your back cool. The seat easily installs in seconds with quick release buckles. It includes a foot brace that attaches with hook and loop strips on the floor for easy adjustment and installation. The rear deck has a zippered hatch for easy access to storage in the stern. There are 4 valves total for inflation. 2 Boston valves for the side tubes, a twist lock valve for the riser, and 1 Halke-Roberts style valve for the high pressure floor. Inflation with a hand pump takes about 10 minutes. A 12-volt electric low pressure pump is recommended to inflate for quickness and ease, then a quick top off to proper pressure with a hand pump. Pumps and valve adapters are not included. They are sold separately. There's a drain plug in the stern. When unsure, you can open this drain and lift the bow to drain out any water that may be in the boat. For increased tracking, there's a fin box in the stern, and it comes with Aquaglide's weedless quick release fin. This boat includes a duffel style carrying and storage bag. The boat and bag easily fits in the trunk, a closet, or in your RV. They can even be checked in as luggage on a flight. Aquaglide's Navarro 130 is a versatile solo kayak that offers the experience of either an open top or a sit-inside kayak for comfortable year-round paddling.
A Brooklyn Kayak Company kayak could be the ultimate exercise machine, and they're built to last.
You get a premium quality product at a price that won't break the bank.
All Brooklyn kayaks come with a 5-year warranty, so you can rest easy knowing the Brooklyn Kayak Company will be there with everything from accessories to fishing tips. It's time to get into the outdoors with Brooklyn Kayak Company.